Hey guys, today we are going to make some rainy cheese corn. You can see how beautiful the color is and that cheesy flavor. It is going to be amazing. So here what we are going to do is we are going to take a pan, non-stick pan, and drop in some butter. But there's no butter. Let the butter melt, spread it over the pan. Now we are going to throw in some white sesame seeds, some onions, not finely chopped onions, some finely chopped green chili, some finely chopped ginger. You can add garlic too, but I did not prefer to. Some frozen corn. Now that is the main ingredient, the frozen corn. And it looks so colorful. It is delightful, colorful, and healthy. Now I have used here some Worcestershire sauce, which is optional. Worcestershire sauce is a fermented condiment made from a base of vinegar and flavored with anchovies, molasses, tamarind, onion, garlic, and other seasonings. So the flavor is savory and sweet with a distinct tang provided by the vinegar. You can totally avoid it. Now is the last step. I'm going to throw in some grated cheese. Ooh, and the cheese. You can see how beautiful it looks, the color, and it gives a cheesy flavor to the corns, and you know, it smells really good. It's like my heart is so happy right now. Add in some salt to taste, shake it nicely, give it a nice stir, and ta-da, it is ready. Now I'm going to serve it. You'll see how beautiful it looks and so tasty, believe me. And it is healthy too. I'll garnish it with some olives, and you know, I have sprinkled here some za'atar. It gives a really nice flavor. And last but not the least, why I call it rain cheese corn is because I have, you know, grated cheese to give it a cheesy flavor and a cheesy color. You can try it with your family and friends. It is amazing to taste. Bye bye and thank you.